I loved it. It was really informative, really great. I like that we got to have actual experience shooting. I definitely learned better doing it rather than hearing someone talk about it. And Dustin was really awesome and great and really charming and made it a lot easier to watch him do his work.
It's pretty much almost all the way down to the corner,
right? Absolutely loved it. It was fantastic. I learned so much more than just weddings. Just everything was great. It was, and I felt really, really comfortable asking the dumb questions. I think the thing I'm so excited about is lighting. When we practiced the reception and using the 2 flashes was really great. I'm excited about that. I like the dramatic look.